One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Okay, so this I tweeted this. I wasn't going to talk about it. I'm not a political kind of guy on these channels anyway. I mean, I do talk enough politics. This is from the Uber. Okay, these big companies have to form files with the SEC. Okay, anytime there's a change in executive leadership, anytime there's earnings, S1s, K1s, 10Ks, 10Qs, all these bullshit codes. If you guys want to learn more about that, go subscribe to my finance channel. So I saw this. You know, Damien, thank you for the super chat. This is a great comment right there. Uber would get so much done. They don't not only trust the driver, they don't listen to the driver. Thank God they're listening. Like yesterday, I had a really productive meeting with Lyft. Yeah, exactly. But it's a federal guideline, so that's the goddamn problem. I'm sorry. So anyway, I saw this in Uber's SEC filings. And it caught my eye because I saw Tony West's name. Tony West is the CLO, Chief Legal Officer, who is the architect of all these Proposition 22s, the new Massachusetts law, the New York AG settlement, all these things, right? Or the Minnesota law that they passed, right? Okay, so as of August 18th, today is the 13th, in 5 days, Mr. Tony West, who is the brother-in-law of Kamala Harris, who was the Democratic presidential candidate, as we know it as of today. He says, on August 2, Uber Technologies announced that Tony West, the company's senior vice president, chief legal officer, and corporate secretary, plans to take a temporary unpaid leave of absence commencing August 17th, okay, in 4 more days, to volunteer on a political campaign in his personal capacity. See how shady these people are? I mean, they don't have to, you know. But how dumb you have to be not to figure out that this is for Kamala Harris's campaign. I don't think he's going to go campaign for Donald Trump, right? Look at it. It says for a campaign, political campaign. Volunteer on a political campaign. Why don't you guys say that? Kamala Harris, right here. Huh? Uber? No? I asked Uber for comment on this. Crickets, nothing. Of course, you know, when they come in, they come in. Like there was, you know, we talked about 2 weeks ago, we talked about Dara Khosrowshahi selling 500,000 shares, right? I said everything perfectly. The next day, I get an email from Uber saying, hey, why are you saying that? I'm like, what do you mean, why am I saying that? I know what I'm saying. Do you know what you're saying? They go like, no, you shouldn't have said that. I'm like, what do you mean I said that? It's public information. I can say whatever the heck I want. You know, I know about finance more about that 10 times that you know at Uber that works at PR, right? She goes, how about you put it on your newsletter? I'm like, that wasn't me. I go, about you go watch, show me the money, you'll figure out. I didn't say anything I wasn't supposed to say, and then I go, take a hike. Anyway, so Katie Weitzman, the company's chief deputy general counsel, will assume Mr. West's duties. What do you guys think about this? First of all, I mean, it's unpaid. First of all, it's good. Does Tony West really have that much pull, right? To maybe he's going to go raise some fundraisers, do some fundraisers for his sister-in-law, or I took bets with a couple of people actually. I said if Kamala Harris does get elected, I think Tony West will leave Uber and then be in the cabinet. I'm pretty sure. Now you guys understand what kind of odds we're working against. You know, Sarah, you see what I'm saying? You know, you guys understand what kind of odds we're working against? The brother-in-law of the current vice president and the presidential candidate, Kamala Harris, is the chief legal officer at Uber. If Kamala Harris does get elected, you guys think you're screwed. You guys are going back to. So I mean, this is like a look. I'm not a conspiracy guy, but the connection is pretty clear to me in this one. And I'm like, I go, you know, pretty interesting. So I thought I'd share this with you guys, and then I'll read the comments in a minute because they're flying. And yeah, put it in the chat. Let me see what you guys think about Tony West helping Kamala Harris's campaign. I mean, leaving he gets paid quite a bit. Unpaid leave of absence. That's a lot. Okay, people. I'm pretty sure he's got $1 million check every month coming to him. I'm pretty sure his salary is, I think it was 10 million last year.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.